Going? Hello? Ooh, it's going. Hey, it's me. Multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Don't worry. This lesson is short. You're welcome. Alright, so look at this right here. Basically, if you're good, if you understand lessons 7, 9, wait, what do we got? Oh, 10, 10-1, and 10-2, you should not have any problem with this lesson. Who turned off my smartboard? Okay, we're ready to go. Turn it back on. So, 7 times 3/4 can be really thought as 7 times 3 over 4. We'll give you an answer of 21/4, which you will then have to convert into 5 1/4. Now, before I do this guy, let's get this guy out of here. Get out of here. Here we go. Get out. Wait. Okay. Let's talk about this stuff right here. This stuff right here. All right. Why is it 7 times 3 over 4? Well, you can do 7 times 3/4 would equal 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3/4. That is 7 times 3/4. You add those all up right here. You're going to get 21/4. So you really just need to do 7 times 3. I mean, who wants to add that? Yeah, you don't want to do that. Let's get rid of these guys. That's too much work. Get out of there. Okay, so 7 times 3 equals 21/3. 21/4 equals 5 1/4. Now, seriously, do not forget that you do need to convert 21/4 and from an improper fraction into a mixed number. All right, let's apply that same strategy we just did with 6 times 2/5. So 6 times 2/5 to do 6 times 2 equals 12/5, which then you do have to convert again. I know that 10/5 is 2 wholes with 2/5 left over. So 6 times 2/5 would be 2 2/5. All right, so another way to say it is of. All right, of actually means multiplication when you're talking about in math, right? So 4/5 of 15 is 4/5 times 15, right? 4/5 of 15 is 4/5 times 15. So by that, you could do 4 times 15 over 5, give you 60 over 5, which is going to equal 12 wholes, right? If you look down here, 3/4 of 4, 3 times 4, 3 times 4, over 4, 12 equals 3 wholes. Can we talk about this too, though? There's a symbol. I would like to show you this, right? If we have 4 things, and I had 3/4 of them, well, this is going to be 1/4, this is going to be 2/4, this is 3/4, that's 4/4. 3/4 of them is 3 things. I don't plan on drawing 15 things for the first one, but it would work the same exact way. Just know that these are multiplication problems. All right? If If you saw any kind of multiplication problem, whatever, 3 times 2 ninths, right, equals 3 times 2 over 9, 6 ninths. And that's how you multiply fractions by whole numbers. Now it's time for you to try it. There are 4 multiplication problems here. I'd like you to solve them. Pause the video and solve them. Don't forget to convert your improper fractions into mixed numbers. Good luck. Okay, there you have it. Those are the answers. Hopefully you got them. They're right. Whoa, that's not what I have to do. They're right here. Right here. Don't forget, you do have to convert your improper fractions to mixed numbers, just like this. Okay? Good luck. I think you did fine with that, especially if you have already mastered 10-1 and 10-2.